A trail. Rated badge rolling through valet lanes reads like a contradiction. The Renegade promises off-road heritage, but many trims feel optimized for urban life. This opener contrasts marketing copy with showroom reality and teases owner interviews, dealer explanations, and cinematic cuts from trailhead to town center to ask whether the Renegade still belongs in Jeep's off-road lineage. Has trail-rated become a marketing emblem more than a field certification? We inspect the program criteria, compare badge holders to photographed owner usage, and measure how many trail-rated Renegades live in malls rather than on summits. This segment cross-references owner galleries, dealer messaging, and certification standards to test whether the emblem carries technical meaning or trend theater. Spec sheets, toot ground clearance, suspension travel, and approach angles. But the truth is, in trail testing, we put advertised numbers beside measured articulation gravel runs and rut encounters to reveal limits and strengths. Slow motion overlays side-by-side comparisons, and measured camera angles show whether the Renegade's suspension delivers practical off-road performance or just marketing metrics. We gather voices from owners who take their Renegades into remote trails and from others who use them as daily commuters. The evidence mix of short clips, registration patterns, and owner comments reveals whether buyer behavior skews towards weekend exploration or routine grocery runs. This block shows which use case truly defines the model for most buyers and includes short owner rebuttals. Jeeps. Willys' ancestry informs a rugged brand myth, but subcompact iterations invite debate. Purists fear shrinking architecture and comfort, tuning dilute original purpose. We present archival footage, collector voices, and modern boutique neighborhood shots, so viewers can judge if the Renegade honors or erodes Jeep's storied lineage in contemporary city contexts, with real owner perspectives included. The Renegade offers selectable drive modes, hill descent control, and underbody guards, yet prioritizes conveniences like keyless entry, agile turning, and cushioned ride. We evaluate which features owners actually use with real usage stats, UI drive mode tests, and in-vehicle telemetry to show whether engineers sacrificed mechanical capability for urban niceties or achieved a useful compromise. The Renegade may be the perfect compact city Jeep, accessible, compact, and stylish, but for off-road purists, it can feel like Jeep in name only. Our final pullback frames the Renegade between trailhead and skyline, and asks viewers to decide, is this a valid evolution of the brand or a dilution of heritage? Vote and post photos of your Renegade in the wild, and we will feature the most revealing comparisons and follow-ups.